Just few words. Today we're going to make this beef dripping. Super easy and it's very good if you don't want to use the oil, if you want to just fry it with natural stuff. It's quite very good. Basically this is just pure fat from the beef. I asked the butcher to mince it. Preheat the oven 200 degrees. Take a very big pot and dip, because this is gonna melt, it's gonna be liquid. Just put in. I'm gonna show you the next step. Nothing inside, no oil, no salt, nothing. Lid on and go in the oven 200 degrees around 2.5-3 hours. My dripping is ready. It's very hot, still hot, and was in the oven 1 hour 45 minutes. And now we're gonna pour it inside here. And be careful. This is better you do when it's hot, because gonna be solid around 2.5 hours. One important thing: make sure you have your jars sterilized. 110 in the oven for 20 minutes. I leave to cool down and they ready sterilized. Be careful, and I'm do it. What is left? All the piece of meat, nerves, stuff like that. Cool down a little bit. We're gonna pour it in the jar. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not masters, but we do cool stuff. My jar they ready. We're gonna pour it inside, gentle. Guys, now we're gonna leave this to cool down completely and become solid. Guys, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This is the beef dripping. It's 4 hours. It's solid. You see, the smell is absolutely super. And this one storage in the dark, not in the fridge. You don't need the fridge. If you want to put in the fridge, it's okay, but don't need it. And that's it. My beef dripping is this, guys. Absolutely al bacio. If you like, pick it up and follow us. Ciao.